Hello students, in this video I will show you how to form a trigonometric table. Then that will help you to remember this table is equal to what, sin 30 degrees is equal to what, 45 degrees, 60 degree, 90 degrees. How will you make this table? I will show you in this video. So let's start. So first you write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now divide all this by 4. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Now give all of them in root. Root over 0 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Now see here what you get, 2 2s are 4, 4 4 cancel 1, and here 0 by 2. 0 by 4, 0 by 4, you get what? 0. And here 4, 4 is 2 square 4, that means what you get here is 1 by 2, because 1 square to 1 and 4 is 2 square to 1 by 2. And what you get here, 1 square to 1 to 1 and root 2 you get here is root 2. Okay. Next 3 by 4. Root 3 and for root 4 is 2, so you get here root 3 by 2, and here 4 by 4 is 1, so root 1 is 1. Now you get this 5 value. Now put this 0 in here, sin 0, so that means sin 0 is 0. Now 1 by 2, then 45 degree 1 by root 2, 60 degree root 3 by 2 and 90 degree 1. Okay, that means sin 0 degree 0, sin 30 degree 1 by 2, sin 45 degree 1 by root 2 and sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 and sin 90 degree is 1. Now you get the value of ratios of sine of angles of ratios. Now what will you do? Cos 0 degree, put this in here 1. That is reverse, root 3 by 2 here you put here, then 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2, then 0 to 0. Okay, simple. Just sin 90 degree cos 0 degree, sin 60 degree cos 30 degree, sin 45 degree cos 45 degree, sin 30 degree cos 60 degree, sin 0 degree 0. Okay. Now tan theta. We all know tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So if sin theta is equal to 0 by 1, so here you get divided, this is your value of sine. Okay. Now sin theta by cos theta, 0 by 1, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Here 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Here what you get, in sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2 and cos 60 degrees 1 by 2, so 1 by 2, and here 1 by 0 because sin 90 degree is 1 and cos 90 degree is 0. So now from this you get the value of tan theta, that is tan, first of 0 by 1, 0 by 1 is 0 and root 2 cancel, that is 1 by root 3, and here root 2 cancel, 1 by 1 to 1, 2 cancel, root 3, 0 by 1, 0 by 1, when 0 comes to the denominator it is undefined, it is undefined. So now you put this here, tan 0 0, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 1, root 3, and here undefined, or you can write not defined. Okay, simple. So if you know the values of sin theta and cos theta, then you can easily put the values of ratios of tan theta. Okay, now cosec theta. So you all know cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Okay, now sin 0 degree is 0. So that means here you get 1. So 0 by 1, if you invert it, then what you get is 1 by 0. That means if 0 is in the denominator, so if the 0 is in the denominator, that means what? Undefined. Okay. Now next 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, inverse of 1 by 2 is what? 2 by 1, that is 2. That means cosec 30 degrees 2. Next sine 45 degrees 1 by root 2. So cosec 45 degrees will be root 2 by 1, that is root 2. Next cosec 60 degree. Now sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2, that means cosec 60 degrees 2 by root 3. Now sine 90 degree is 1, so cosec 90 degree will be 1, that is 1 by 1 is also 1. So this is the ratios of cosec 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now sec. Sec is the inverse of what? Sec is the inverse of cos. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So if the cos theta's values are 1, here 0 degree, cos 0 degree is 1, then sec 0 degree will be 1 by 1, that is 1. And cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, then sec 30 degree will be 2 by root 3. Next sec 45 degree, cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, then if we inverse it, what will become? It will become root 2 by 1, that means only root 2. Next sec 60 degree, cos 60 degree is 1 by 2, so inverse of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1, that is 2. Very simple. Now sec 90 degree, cos 90 degree is 0, cos 90 degree is 0, that means 0 by 1, 0 means 0 by 1. In every number there is in denominator there is 1. So 0 by 1, if you inverse it, then what? It will become 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 means what? Undefined. So you write here undefined. Next cot. Cot is related to what? Tan. Simple. Tan theta is equal to cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, or tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. So now tan 0 degree. Tan 0 degree is 0. 0 means 0 by 1. So cot 0 degree will be 1 by 0. Cot 0 degree will be 1 by 0. That means 0 is in the denominator, so it is also undefined. Next tan 30 degree, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3, if you inverse it, then you get root 3 by 1, that means cot 30 degree is root 3. Next tan 45 degree, tan 45 degree is 1. So cot 45 degree will be 1 because inverse of 1 is 1. Now cot 60 degree. So cot 60 degree is tan, inverse of tan, that is root 3. So root 3, inverse of root 3 is 1 by root 3. So you get 1 by root 3. Okay, now last one is cot 90 degree. If the cot tan 90 degree is undefined, so undefined means what? 1 by 0. Now if you inverse this, then what you get? 0 by 1. That means cot 0 by 1 is what? 0 by 1 is 0. That means cot 90 degree is 0. So this way, in this way you can easily make a trigonometry table. You need to remember all the trigonometric ratios, special ratios, that is sine 0, sine 30, sine 40, sine 60, sine 90, because you need to remember this trigonometric table for solving maths of that is in exercise 8, that is in chapter 8, as well as in chapter 9, which is applications of trigonometry. So you need to remember this. Not for the class 10, in your higher classes you also need this. So in this way, if you make a table and if you practice in for 5 to 6 times, then you can easily remember all the ratios of trigonometric table. Okay, so thank you.